How to get a perfect middle part haircut. Now, the middle parting is something that some of you are trying to achieve when you have a side parting. Some of you have a natural middle parting. Everybody has a natural hair part, every human being, whether it's on the side, the middle, this side. The best way to go about finding it is when your hair is dry, and what you want to do is just brush back the hair all the way. I'm using an anti-static vent brush. You could see when I push forward, what's going to happen, that hair is going to want to split. It's going to split in an area that typically is exactly where or near your natural hair parting, whether it's on the side, the middle, or this side, doesn't really matter. Now, when it comes to a middle part, there really are a few options that you have when it comes to the best haircut. And I am going to talk about that real quick, is the ideal haircut for a middle parting. This is a one length haircut, and if you've been on my channel for many years, you know this is the celebrity green hair mannequin, right? I've had this for so many years, and I did an undercut on this. So it got rid of a lot of that weight, and this might be an option for you if you want this type of haircut. So I'm combing the hair all the way down, and this is pretty much a one length haircut shape, meaning everything is brought down to this one length in a triangular shape, meaning it's longer in the front, shorter to longer. It's a triangular shape, great for fuller or more rounded face shapes, and it's going to lay its best because of the lack of layers, and also it's one length. So if you're somebody who wants to have a middle part or center part haircut, and you want this to lay as flat as possible, then you don't want any layers, and you want to have your hair length long enough to where it's going to naturally weigh its hair down. The shorter you go with this, the higher the chance of it possibly going in your eyes like this and always coming forward. Because there is some length, you do have the capability of possibly tucking it behind the ear, but you want to have a haircut, if you want to be very, very flat to your head like this, to be at least long enough. Really, really, really important. Now, I have another mannequin here. Let's take this mannequin, for example, that has a middle parting. And this is an example of having maybe like a slight middle part, but it's not really showing that much, like a softer middle parting or center parting. And the best way to go about doing this, once again, is if your hair is dry, you can comb this back and just kind of work it into place and shape it, and then next thing you know, you've got more of a middle part or an off-center part, right? And the best way to do this is simply to mold your hair and sculpt your hair, and sometimes it's going to require you using some product. And product is something that I always use as a professional, and it's something that I suggest all the time. One product that I do like for shaping and sculpting is, this is Beach House. It's a sea salt hair powder. It's a phenomenal product, and it's really designed after the update. It's just been recently updated to improve the formula to create your texture that you're looking for, but also make your hair feel soft and not really stiff or chalky or heavy. And that's really my favorite hair powder of all time. And this is going to allow you to help create more of that middle part shape. And again, if you want this to be flatter to the head, have it more one length, or if you want to have some fullness like this, then you can see there's some layers in here. And then lastly, here's another haircut to where this haircut is a lot more layered now. It does have that triangular shape. However, it's all kind of in the middle like this, right? It's a center part haircut. And it's one of those haircuts to where, again, if you want to have that fullness, you can see I'm able to work the shape in like this. It's not going to lay flat to the head. It's going to be a lot more full. So if you want to have this middle part, you can with a triangular shape, but also having some layers in through here. This is all layered, and that's how you're going to get that fullness. Now, obviously, you can have a variety of styles between having your hair a lot longer, having a longer flow. A middle part really is, you have a lot of options with it. But the best way to find that perfect middle parting, once again, is by combing your hair back when it's dry and then pushing forward, and the hair is going to naturally split. You could also do it when your hair is wet and just comb through and just kind of push the hair forward. It's going to naturally split. And wherever, you can look up close, wherever you see your hair kind of falling or laying the best, most natural way, that is where and how you find that perfect middle parting. Let me know if you have one of these hairstyles, if you're trying to grow your hair out, and if you have a middle part. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.